Hey guys, Mega Lucario 22 here, and in this video I am opening up 3 Scarlet and Violet Paradox Rift booster packs. I got these on Amazon for $12.98, I believe. Let's get right into them. Alright, first one, here's this code card here. Alright, starting off with a basic Psychic type energy, Vanillite, Oricorio, Swablu, Panseer, Steenie, Counter Catcher, Absol, Trubbish, which is a reverse holo here. Second reverse holo is a Zacian rare, so that's a good start right there to this pack. Is a rare reverse holo, and the final rare is a Wochian holo. So I don't have this card in a holo foil, and this is a rare reverse holo, so I'm gonna say off the bat, pretty good pulls here. Onto the second pack here. Packs are just quite hard to open. I do miss the X and Y packs that were really easy to tear open. There's the code card there. Alright. So, energy card is a basic water energy, a Panpour, Blitzel, Bound Sweet, Feebas, Screamtail, TM Devolution. This is actually a good card. It's actually worth quite a bit in this set. First reverse holo after this, I believe, is a Tinkatuff. That is just a common card. Second is a Natu, another common, and the rare in the pack, is a Skeledirge EX ultra rare here. So that is a really good pull. I'm just checking out the card here. But yeah, that is a really good pull here. We've gotten a rare reverse holo and now an ultra rare here. Very happy with the pulls, even if I don't get too much in this last pack here. This one has Garchomp on the front. Let's get right into it. Alright, here is the code card. And the final Paradox Rift pack starts off with a basic water energy, Apom, Pansage, Mantike, Gabite, Future Booster Energy Capsule, Simisage, Norman, first reverse holo, is a Wiglet, just a common. The second, is an Aegislash illustration art rare. So unbelievable pulls out of these 3 packs here. Very, very happy with these. And the final rare here is a Golisopod holo. So let's get right into summarizing these here. We have really good pulls here. We got the holofoil Golisopod, the rare reverse holo Zacian, the Wochian holo, the Aegislash full art illustration card, and the Skeledirge EX card. So really, really good pulls here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely did. I'm very happy with the pulls, and I will see you guys next time. Later.